Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the throttle body of the throttle valve on Volkswagen Passat 6 with a 1.6 TDI engine. The throttle body on this car is located on the front of the engine. First we need to remove the engine cover, and the throttle body is located right there. Before being able to remove the throttle body, first we need to remove that air intake hose that is attached to the throttle body. It's held by two metal clamps, which you need to remove. We're also going to disconnect the electrical connector for the throttle body. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. This is the second clamp that we need to remove in order to remove this air intake hose. Now that the air intake hose is removed, we need to remove the throttle body, which is held by three bolts. First bolt is right there, second bolt is on the left side on the bottom, which is right there, and the third bolt is right there, just on the bottom again. The three bolts are Torx T30. That's the torque that I'm going to be using to remove the three bolts. I'm going to loosen them with my ratchet, and then I'm going to remove the ratchet and just unbolt them by hand. And that's the first bolt out. That's the second bolt out. Now I'm going to remove the last bolt, which is on the front. Once I remove the third bolt, I'm going to take it out along with the throttle body. And that's the throttle body out. And these are the 3 bolts that we just removed. The 3 holes on the throttle body is where the 3 bolts are located. This is the part number for the throttle body. It's a Valeo throttle body. Next I'm going to put the throttle body back in its place. Like I said, the 3 bolts that I removed are just those 3 holes there. Now I'm going to put on the throttle body and put on the 3 bolts and tighten them. Once I tighten the 3 bolts, then I can attach the electrical connector and also the air intake hose, and then we're done with replacing the throttle body. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.